So here's a situation of a mold factory. Literally mold is growing everywhere. And if you look up in there, you can see the spinning fan, and it's supposed to be black. That's literally fuzzy mold growing on the fan blade itself. This is why if you're in a situation where mold is of a concern and you don't maintenance and you live in a place where there's a lot of dusty, dying organic matter, like saying forestry, dead leaves, dirt products, a lot of pet dandruff, human skin flaking off and stuff like that, it's actually a food for the molds to grow on. So this is an excellent example of worst case scenario, which I do see a lot. This kind of air conditioning unit should never be used in a place where you don't want mold. These are mold spore petri dishes. They literally grow mold just because of the placement of where they put the fan blades. You want the fan blade, well, I don't use these. Anybody who wants a system that doesn't grow mold, I never use these in this situation. Other than that, if you want mold and you love mold, you get one of these and you put these inside your rooms.